Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, which there are a lot of you that are new here thanks to Keto Ginger, my name is Nacine. I'm 37 years old. I'm a mom to 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I would love it if you gave me a clicky clicky. What I do here on my channel is keto vlogs. Basically, I show you what I eat in a day on the ketogenic diet. I also keep you updated with my life because I prefer the vlogs. I like doing the vlogs. Welcome to the vlog. And people seem to like them. I do recipes every once in a while and product reviews and kind of just everything. And if you have any suggestions, I love them. Leave them below. If there's a product you would like me to review, etc., etc. So, I felt weird again because to all my regulars, they know there's a creeper in the work parking lot. Today is my first day back to work. I was on vacation, so I'm back today. I did mess up my fast this morning. I put 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream in my coffee instead of just having my coffee and having like almond creamer, and that's what I normally do for my intermittent fasting, but I broke that this morning at 5 a.m. So I did have a handful, probably about 10 maybe almonds, and then for lunch I have brought my skillet mixture here that I made. It smells really good. Now it's not heated up, but I don't mind because there's a herd of older women that are very territorial over the microwaves at my work. So I mostly eat everything cold. I never heat anything up. This is a skillet that I made the other day. It is ham, bacon, sausage, egg, and cheese. So it's like a meat lover skillet. It's really good. So I got that. And I brought a vanilla Premier Protein. Trying to get my proteins in earlier in the day so I'm not struggling so much at night. And then I brought a Greek 0% yogurt with the orange vanilla Mio to sweeten it. So that's what I'm going to be eating. I'm actually going to hang out here in this parking lot. Oh, I think I cut myself off. I come here because there's a creeper in my parking lot who stares at me when I'm recording. Now, I don't usually mind if people like look over, but this guy is literally like this the entire time, and it's so uncomfortable and just annoying, and I just want to eat my food and record and talk to you guys and watch YouTube, you guys. That's all I want to do. So that's it. It is 11:30 and I'm about to eat. I will see you guys after work. Hey guys, it is 3:30 and I am off work, and that puts a smile on my face because you know what that means? That was 1 hour of overtime. Well, yeah, still an hour overtime. I was gonna say, well, I missed Monday, but I was a vacation day, so I still got paid 8 hours for that day. So 1 hour of overtime. It looks as if things are gonna start picking back up because last week was one of the ladies' last days for a while because she was having her baby, and then next week one of the gentlemen that has been in there with us for a little while is retiring. So that's down 2 people, and that leaves more jobs and more work for everybody. So hopefully we are fastly approaching our overtime again. Now, do I want the overtime where we're working every Saturday? No. I don't necessarily care to work 55 to 60 hours a week. 50 hours, okay. I'm used to that. I've worked that for 2 years. So I'm excited because I need the money. So that's a good thing. And then there might be possibilities of advancing soon. and that's also awesome. I don't want to go too much into it because I don't know for sure, but maybe. Not sure what I'm having for dinner tonight. Macros are looking pretty good so far today. I have plenty to work with. I think I'm sitting at like 6 carbs for the day so far. I have had quite a bit of protein, so I can eat something that isn't so high in protein. Maybe I'll make like an Italian and a pasta salad or something. I'm not sure, but we'll see. I will update you when I get home. I went to Aldi and I picked up a couple of things, and I'm going to show you what I got. First I picked up this deli sliced mild cheddar cheese. This was $1.29, and it's less than a carb per slice. 5 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat. Got some pepper jack, same price. This one is completely 0 carbs. Picked up some hard salami because I love salami. I could eat salami all day. Anyways, it is 3 slices are less than 1 gram of carb. They had this, I'm sorry, I can't remember the price on that, and I don't have my receipt on me. This was like fairly cheap. You know what? Let me dig out my receipt. All right, the salami was $2.59, and then the sub kit, the ham and turkey, which is 2 grams of carbs per serving, was $4.99, and I think a serving is 6 slices, so that's not bad. I got 2 cucumbers for 59 cents, 2 of these garden salad mixes for 89 cents each. I got a head of cauliflower for $2.19, cabbage for $1.99, some broccoli for $1.69. Their strawberries were on sale for $1.19 each, so I picked up 2. These go fairly fast, and when they start to go, I usually freeze them. I got these tomatoes for a salad for $1.99, and then the star of the show, you guys, Aldi has 2 good yogurts right now for $1.25, and all I seen was the strawberry and the vanilla. Yeah, the date is good. These are good until August 11th. So that's awesome, you guys. $1.25 at my Aldi for those. Now, normally I would spend almost $2. So that's a good deal. If you haven't seen me make it before, I'm making Amanda Keto Ginger's chili. I'm not following her recipe to the T, but I'm basically going off of it. I'm trying to find my spatulator. There it is. Because, yes, we do spatulate up in here. Ready? Yeah, spatulate with Amanda. Spatulator. Spatulate. And I actually, if I don't spatulate song when I do this, I get comments in the section saying you forgot to sing the song. So it's a necessary thing to do, to sing the spatulator song. I also like to say, spatulators, mount up. It was a clear dark night, a clear bright moon, one she was on the, sorry. So I'm going to mix this up and then I'll show you what I put in it next. All right, so all I've done is I've cooked up that chorizo in with the ground turkey. Usually I use beef, but I had some turkey from the last time I made egg roll in a bowl. So I cooked those up together. I added 1 can of diced Rotel tomatoes with green chilies. I added about 8 ounces of chicken broth, and then I added 1 can of tomato paste, the lowest carb I could find. And so this is it. I did add in some chopped up garlic, and then I just topped this with sour cream. You can put avocado on it. You can put onions in it, peppers in it, however, whatever you want. But usually this is just how I make it because the kids eat this up. Put some shredded cheese on top. It's really good. I got paste all over this. But yeah, that's it, guys. So for my sandwich that I want to make, I'm going to make some 90-second bread. I saw In with Jen make a sandwich with some bread like this. And I don't know if this is the same recipe or not, but I will try to remember to link this recipe below. But basically, I'm so sorry you guys, the TV is so loud. But basically, you're gonna need oil or butter, baking powder, almond flour, salt, and an egg. And I'll show you what to do. So I like to use these little sandwich Tupperware containers to do it. That way it comes out looking like bread. So I did a 1/3 cup of almond flour, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. I'm going to stir this up with a fork, and then I'm going to microwave it for 90 seconds. So you can see I got it all nice and stirred up. I'm going to throw it in. So then after it is done, I just flipped it right out of here into this, and I buttered both sides to toast it. I'm going to make 2 pieces. So here it is. This is the finished product. This is the sandwich. This is what she made. This is what I made. This looks yummy. Here is my salad. I wanted like an antipasto salad. I don't know if I'm going to eat it all. I'm going to try not to because I'm totally over my carbs, you guys. Like 10 over. We'll see. Alright guys, so I ended up eating all of the sandwich and all of the salad. I went over on my carbs by 7 grams, and I stayed under on my protein. I went over by a little bit on my fat and by a little bit on my calories. Nothing outrageous. I'm not going to be mad at myself over it. It is almost that time of the month. So I'm figuring that's where my increased hunger is coming from. I thought if I did more of my protein earlier in the day, then I wouldn't have so much hunger later at night. But I'm going to try to not do so much protein tomorrow, because since I am busy and I'm working and I'm not able to just, you know, I'm not thinking about food, you know, I feel like it's easier for me to not eat things during the day, because I don't have that option to just go, you know, eat something. I'm working. So I think I'll try it the other way around and pack my lunch tonight for tomorrow and just do some moderate protein, and then I'll finish off my protein for dinner, because that's what I usually tend to do. Now, today, did I do that? No, not so much. It wasn't so bad, but I think I would have been completely fine. You know what? I don't know. I would have been completely fine if I didn't make that bread for that sandwich, but it was embedded in my mind and I wanted it so bad. I made it, and then I was like, well, now I can't waste it. After I should have calculated it before I made it, but I made it, then I calculated it, and then I was like, well, I can't waste it now. The kids won't eat it, so I'm stuck with it. So I'm not going to waste it, so I ate it. You should always track your foods before you eat. That is the best advice that I can give you, and it's the best advice I can give myself. So I'm not going to beat myself up over it. 7 grams over. It's not the best, but it's not the worst either. Tomorrow's a new day, and we'll get it. We'll get it, guys. I'm going to close the vlog out. I'm just going to watch some Supernatural, reply to some comments, and then probably take Link for a walk. So have a great night, you guys.